Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Today we're here with Lisa. Yes, Lisa. The queen of K-pop. Yeah, Lisa with Moonlit Floor. It's an official audio. We haven't received the video as yet, so hopefully we will receive the video at some point. Or even the dance video. I don't mind. Some sort of video. Because, you know, Lisa is fire. So let's jump in this one and see what Lisa has to say in Moonlit Floor. Let's go.
Oh la la la, oh la la la. I'ma need to hear you say it out loud. Cause I love it when my name slips out your mouth. Love it when you ask her, rest my body.
The vocals, man.
Right before you lace your kisses on me. Green eye French boy got me tripping. Now your skin is always soft. How your kisses always hit. How you.
Man. I can just imagine the video for this, yo. I can just imagine the official video for this. Crazy. The vocals is crazy. Her vocals are different, bro. The beat. Let's go.
I'ma need to hear you say it out loud. Cause I love it when my name slips out your mouth. Love it when you ask her, rest my body. Right before you lace your kisses on me. Green eye French boy got me tripping. Now your skin is always soft. How your kisses always hit. How you know to sweat at. Green eye French boy got me tripping on that accent of your lips. How your tongue do all those tricks. How you know to sweat at. Kiss me.
Obviously, she's singing about a boy and how he make her feel. She's describing him, how his tongue make her feel and all that. That's Lisa, bro. That's Lisa, bro.
Green eye French boy
Lisa doing her
got me
thing, man.
tripping on that accent of your lips. How your tongue do all those tricks. How you know to sweat at. Kiss me under the Paris twilight. Kiss me out on the moonlit floor. Kiss me under the Paris twilight. So kiss me. You fit in the wake to the flight to the sky, never down, baby, check my stats. Truth is I wasn't trying to meet nobody, baby, I was there to get my bag. But when I saw you, I was like, I like that. Wasn't trying to break, baby, I fall back. But when I heard you say bonjour, baby, I couldn't meet nobody, baby, I was there to get my bag. But when I saw you, I was like, I like that. Wasn't trying to break, baby, I fall back. But when I heard you say bonjour, baby, I was like, damn.
The French, the French accent, the French language got her hooked.
To get my bag.
Yeah.
But when I saw you, I was like, I like that. Wasn't trying to break, baby, I fall back. But when I heard you say bonjour, baby, I was like, damn. Green eye French boy got me tripping. Now your skin is always soft. How your kisses always hit. How you know to sweat at. Green eye French boy got me tripping on that accent of your lips. How your tongue do all those tricks. How you know to sweat at. Kiss me under the Paris twilight. Kiss me out on the moonlit floor. Kiss me under the Paris twilight. So kiss me. Ooh, them French boys got me tripping. Ooh la la la. Ooh, them French boys got me tripping. Ooh la la la. Ooh, them French boys got me tripping. Ooh la la la. Kiss me under the Paris twilight. Kiss me out on the moonlit floor. Kiss me
Lisa.
under the Paris twilight. So kiss me.
Wow. What can you say about Lisa, man? What can we say about Lisa? What can I say that I haven't said already? I think I've said everything I need to say about Lisa already, bro. Lisa is just fire, bro. Like Lisa is just fire. Like everything she does is just magical, bro. Like, she's so amazing. And this is why so many people across the world just love her, bro. Like it's not even just K-pop fans. Because before all this, I knew nothing about Lisa, and when I discovered her, oh my god, I instantly became a blink. I instantly became a blink. Her voice is so magical, bro. And obviously her dance moves and everything. Obviously this is not a video, but her dance moves are out of this world, man. Lisa's got a voice from heaven, bro. Lisa is so talented, man. That's why you have so much fans out here, girl. So if you are a Lisa fan, please subscribe to the channel. Please drop a follow if you haven't done so already. Just drop a follow, man. It's easy to do, you know. Just drop a follow, just drop a sub, you know. Drop a like on the video if you enjoy and want to see more. And I will leave a couple more reactions from Lisa on the video floating above my head right now. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.